Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to contact the Payhip subscription. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in payhip.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Payhip if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top side of the screen we have the dashboard, products, store, analytics, we have the marketing, customers. We have, of course, your chat and the chat in the bottom right corner. And here we have, of course, the store essentials. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and contact the Payhip subscription. So, to contact Payhip subscription support, you can follow these steps. So you can send an email to Payhip support team at contact@payhip.com. They aim to respond within 12 hours, but it might be quicker for urgent questions. You can go to the Help Center. You can visit the Payhip Help Center, which is, of course, I will be providing you the link here. So then when you go to the Help Center, you can go for see guides, articles, and troubleshooting tips. You can go and do that. And this is the link. So help.payhip.com. Also, you can go and use the contact form on the Payhip website to reach out with any question or comments. Payhip does not offer phone support at this time, but their support team is available from Monday throughout Sunday. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That'll be everything, guys, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.